Welcome to Price Mixing It Up. This is Gardening Chronicles Season 1, Episode 5. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hey out there, it's Price Mixing It Up. I told y'all I'm on my journey, my log journey, my gardening journey. No green smoothies today. So, you know what it's about? I'm doing some leaf picking, some trimming, and these beautiful trees. They just shed like wildflowers. Leaves, leaves, leaves. Anybody want to buy leaves? I have plenty of leaves. So that's what I'm doing, is picking leaves. All right, y'all. It's a nice day out here today. And let me just see. Let's walk through here. I did some trimming. I had visitors from a couple of lizards, but I told them they couldn't visit today. So my geraniums, I always want to say begonias. The geraniums are growing nicely. Got some of the dead leaves off. My succulents are looking beautiful. I don't see any lizards right now. Some aloe vera. More geranium and jade mix. More and more succulents. Growing nicely. More geraniums. Some box trees. Looking good. And these little light bulbs are still working nicely. At nighttime, it's so cute. So this voluptuous tree provides us with lots of pollinators, bees. So I'm not getting too close to that. But here's the rose bushes. And I've clipped them, and I'm not done trimming them. Oh, here come a bee. Watch out now. Watch that camera. Bee trying to get my camera. So these roses, they're doing well. Transplanted them from the pots maybe about a month ago. So they're doing really good. Yep. Some more box trees. These have been transplanted from the other side of the house. They're looking really good too. There are survivors. It's going to create a hedge. So those are box trees. Looking really nice. Yep. All right, y'all. Price mixing it up. Let's take a look over here. Got another aloe vera. I just clipped the leaf off of it. Look at those. Some baby ones. Oh, I didn't show you the two big ones over there. So I just pulled the leaf off of this one because I'm actually going to use the aloe vera juice. Yep. Let's go over here. I just clipped some spearmint off today. I haven't used it. There's the sage. There's the basil. Here's the spearmint. Sweet mint. Keeping you up to date with everything. We have a visitor today. Look at that. He's been partaking in the succulent garden. He's part of my Gardening Chronicles today because he keeps ending up in my yard, my garden. And he's actually quite big now. I don't know if it's more than one or just one. But I wanted to show you the aloe vera. Yeah. See them? It was one small one my sister gave me, Sonia. Thank you, Sonia. In a pot. And they're huge now. And they look beautiful on this little hillside that was created by our landscaper. Look at the lizard. Well, there he is. Here we go. The lemon tree. Dwarf lemon with a light bulb. I love these little yard ornaments. Family dollar store specials. This tree is full of bees. It's pretty when it's pink, but you have to tolerate all the bees. They sound like music. They be busy. That's what they say, busy bee, huh? These are the mini rose bushes. They are coming along so beautiful. Yep, look at these jade. They've been in a pot forever. They are saying thank you for freedom. Freedom, freedom, freedom. And still have a couple of zucchini plants for my grandchildren. And then here we are again. Tomatoes and peppers. And I'm learning about these collards, so I've got to do some health checkup here because I do have some aphids in the yard, some nibblers, and got to do something about that because I want to eat the collards. I really am selfish about this, and I really don't want to share. And then I got some more tomatoes and peppers, and then this is the addition to the garden box. So we got zucchini here. That's some radish. And thank God for this powerful rain we got today because that radish was laying down until today. All right, y'all.